Hi guys, this video is about how to make a very sturdy and durable template for paper flowers making. I run my business for 3 years now and I make lots of flowers daily and weekly, and there are some of pretty popular styles like this one. We call it wild rose. So I make dozens and dozens and dozens of them a day. So these particular flowers, especially for these particular ones, I make them only using scissors. I do not cut these petals with my cutting machine. However, yes, I have one. I have Cricut and Cameo 3, and my favorite one is Cameo, obviously. But for wild roses, I never cut my petals with cutting machine, only scissors, and I'm just tracing my real physical templates which I have, and you can see how worn out this template is. And this is, well, that's not brand new, and that's not the one original which I used from the very beginning. So this is about maybe, I'd say, 3 months old or maybe 2 months old, and I make a bunch of them every second month because they're wearing out pretty fast. And you can see that this is not paper, because if this is a cardstock, pretty thick cardstock, and this is a board. This is 6 grams per square meter thick cardstock, so 600 GSM board, and even this doesn't survive through that many times of tracing. So what I figured out just recently, I made my own templates using thick plastic, and this is how my templates look like now. So I use different types of plastic, those ones which are handy, and now I'll show you how to make. You see, I like this cosmetics from New Skin company, and I recently bought one gadget from them, and the box was that was packed with this, that was sort of lid for the box. It's very thick plastic. I'd say it's thinner than the board, but that's durable just because it is plastic. So now I'm gonna make a new template for me using this plastic. In order to do this, I need to cut the brand new petal. So it's exactly same one which I use here, but that's with brand new edges. What I will need, a Sharpie, pair of scissors, and actually that's it. So what I do, I place my my petal to the plastic sheet, and I trace it as I would do if I make flowers, but this time I use Sharpie so it's visible on the plastic, not pencil or my awl, which I normally do when I trace my petals in the real life. And that's it. Now I can see this pretty clearly. Well, almost any thickness of plastic you can get handy will be pretty easy cuttable with regular scissors. But this is a very important step because you need to be very precise, and your edge must be absolutely neat because you will trace. It will be your future template, so you need to be absolutely sure that edges are fine. Well, actually, as I said, I have a cutting machine which can cut plastic as well. So if you if you do like me, if you combine machine cutting and also hand cutting, and from time to time you need to make a template for yourself, what you can do, you can cut the template using your cutting machine, and then you will be sure that your template is 100% nice. So it is durable now, and I can trace with pencil, or what I normally do, I use all. So here we go. What else you can use for making those templates? I have this placemat from IKEA, you see, and it's pretty worn out, and I don't want to use it anymore as a placemat, so I can easily cut something from it as well. And I will do this for my bigger size rose templates, and for now I can use my transparent wild rose template. You can watch the video about our wild roses, how we make them, here on YouTube. It will pop up in the end of this current video, so you can watch it and make your flowers. And what I can say, happy cutting for you guys. Make yourself very sturdy and durable template and use it for years now. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel not to miss our cute videos, very useful tips and tricks in paper flowers making. And don't forget to tag us on Instagram, SydneyPaperFlowers or Paper Pro Tutorials. Have a nice day, everyone.